Yes, welcome to the Hair Zipper YouTube channel, and thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, and today I want to show you how you can play it shan twist. Yes, shan twist. It's a crochet and it's very nice for people with bad hairline or the broken hairline. So I want to show you how you can plait it and you look nice because I take this hair the most long lasting crochet since it is very short. Yeah, it is very short. You can wash it and even it gets dry as soon as possible. So this is how we keep plaiting the shanties. You can see how I'm twisting it, and the tip on this one, when if you know that your client has got a bad hairline, please try to advise on the type of hair someone is supposed to plate. As you can see, I chose this one because I know it is going to last longer for her, and by the time she's going to unplait the hair, at least the front hair will have grown. So I chose the shanties, knowing that it's going to maintain the hairline, because if someone had bad hairline and you plait something long, it will be difficult when she wants to style it. If she wants to style it, it will be difficult for her because sometimes they style them very tight and it makes it break more. So it is very good to advise at times so that you can plait a short hair, because this one you just wake up in the morning and you're good to go, no styling, not doing anything. So it's just you just have to spray it only like other hair that will always do. So this is the best hair that I can recommend with those people, with people with broken hairline. So I want you to subscribe on my YouTube channel because I'm going to be showing you how you can maintain your hairline with a crochet. Because I think it's wrong if someone says that a crochet crochet breaks. Someone say it's not. I don't think it can. Excuse me. The only thing is you just have to plait the crochet that is good for your hair. I don't know how I can explain this, but to explain it well, if you have weak hairline in front, please try to do soft crochets. Yes, and I chose this one, as you can see, so that you're going to see how it's going to end, and you will also like it. It is shan twist, and I want you to subscribe so that you keep on watching all the time what you always give you. And I'm seeing my friend Roston, thank you so much for subscribing. There is Jolette, yes, and Violet, thank you so much for subscribing here at Zipper. So this is how we keep on twisting our shanties. Yeah, this is how it is. Oh yes, thank you so much. I can see. Thank you so much. Those ones who are subscribing now, thank you so much. Yeah. So I even recommend this hair of a pregnant woman. Yeah, it is nice. Yeah, it is nice because it gives you it doesn't give you a hard time, like you're going to wake up in the morning, you have to style it or holding it all the time. No, it's just perfect the way it is. That's how it says. So I want you to watch up to the end so that you see the results. And a tip here is, I know my client had a broken hairline, so I'm not going to lock it like the way we always lock these other crochets. So I'm just passing the Mali Kinky, as you can see, just like that. You see, I don't lock it, because when you lock, remember you're using remember you're using 2 layers. So when you lock it, those 2 layers can't go through, since I don't know if you understand it. Like when you try to lock it, there you're using 2 layers. So I try to just use one, like I'm not locking it, it's just crocheting, and you just keep on twisting. So this is how it is. And when I'm done, you see I'm trying to pass it just like that. You don't lock, so you just twist it. That one is not painful, and it's even good. It's good for the weak hairline. This locking, yes, just like that. Yes, just like that. So trust me, whenever you're trying to do a crochet, try to look at someone's hair, especially if it is weak in front. Try to choose a best crochet for them, so that you keep on maintaining their hairlines. So I chose the Shanties because I know it is very, very good. It doesn't give you a hard time as in maintaining. And the good thing is you can wash it, and it takes few minutes, and it's right. So this is why I keep on I'm to say that Shanties is good. Yeah, it's the best. So you see how soft it is. Very, very soft. You can't believe that someone had bad hairlines, but we had to do this. It is very soft and short, so I know it's not going to give her a hard time of waking up in the morning. You have to hold puff, you have to do it, but this one just remain the way it is. Yes, just like that. Yep. So just try to arrange it. And when I'm done, I'm looking around, seeing like I can try to make her eyebrows. They're fine. They just need to fill. Yeah, they just need to fill them. Yeah, and I already used my gel to fill those eyebrows, so you can just fill them a little bit. Yeah, just like that. So yes, you see how the Shanties is. It is very, very nice. Very, very nice. I like it so much. So this is how I'm just filling eyebrows with my gel. Yeah, just like that. Yes, So I think you can see how the shanties are, and trust me, this is going to be you need it. Those ones with poor hairline, you need this. So I sign out by the names of Morris, and keep loving hair zipper. See you next time.